Dang, bro, this freaking rain is insane. Freaking big old raindrops. At least it was just sunny like an hour ago, and then this started happening. It's been like this for like a week and a half now. You can just hear the rain getting heavier and heavier. Bruh. See? You can hear it getting heavier. That's crazy. It was fine like 5 minutes ago. It was freaking sunny and hot outside. Now it's all like this. And you can hear the thunder, too. Anyway, I just got a flood warning. So, yeah. I mean, it is going to start flooding outside. Las Vegas isn't built to withstand flooding. So. Oh, God. It's really starting to get wet outside. But, yeah. You can just hear all this stuff outside. You can hear the freaking thunder, too. It's freaking insane.